In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a category in Ecwid. Whether you're just starting with your online store or looking to organize your products more efficiently, creating categories is a fundamental step in enhancing your store's navigation and overall user experience. Let's dive in. First, head over to the Ecwid website by visiting www.ecwid.com and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you will be directed to your dashboard where you'll find various tools and options for managing your store. Now look over to the left hand side of your dashboard. Here you'll see a menu. Click on Catalog to expand this section. This is where you'll find different options related to managing your store products and categories. Next, from the expanded Catalog menu, select Categories. This will take you to the Categories page, which will display all the existing categories you've set up in your store. Once you are on the Categories page, look towards the top right corner and locate the Add Category button. Click on it to start creating a new category for your products. This will open up a form where you can enter details for your new category. Begin by entering a name for this category. The name should be straightforward and descriptive, as it will help your customers easily find what they're looking for on your site. Think about how you'd search for products yourself. Next, there's an option to provide a brief description of the category. While this step is optional, adding a meaningful description can sometimes provide extra context to your customers, where they understand exactly what kind of products are housed in this category. If you want to make the category visually appealing, consider uploading an image that represents the category. Again, this step is optional, but an image can make a category stand out and catch the attention of browsing customers. If you're creating a subcategory, you can choose a parent category from the drop-down menu provided. This helps in organizing your products into hierarchical categories and subcategories, making navigation simpler for users. But if this is a main category, just leave the parent category setting as none. Another important consideration is deciding whether this category should be visible to customers. You can choose to publish it immediately, or keep it hidden if you're still working on adding products or refining details. Once you have filled in all the information and made your choices regarding visibility, take a moment to review your details. Finally, when you've got everything set up to your satisfaction, click on Save. This will create your new category, and it will now be live on your Ecwid store, ready to organize your products and help your customers find what they need. And there you have it, you've successfully created a category in Ecwid. Remember, organizing your products effectively can make a big difference in your customers' shopping experience. I hope you found this guide helpful. Thanks for watching, and happy selling.